बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Saida Raza. I am student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we learn Maths Basics. In Maths Basics, we will see multiplication of decimal number for MDCAT aspirants manual calculation. But in previous video, we see addition of decimal number for MDCAT aspirants manual calculation. Then we see addition of decimal number for MDCAT aspirants manual calculation. And now we are seeing multiplication of decimal number for MDCAT aspirant manual calculation. Okay, now let's take an example. 23.11 multiply by 2 32 then 12. First of all, point below point number below number 2 and 3. First of all, I am writing 3. Wait. Point below point, then 3, 2, 1 and 1, 3 and 2, 1 and 2. Now make a line. Multiply sign. 2 ones are 2. Now 2 ones are 2. Not point will be here. I will tell you later where will be point comes. 2 threes are 6. Okay. Now 2 twos are 4. Sorry, I did not write number plus number. Two ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. Now multiply sign. 1 ones are 1 and 1 ones are 1. 1 threes are 3 and 1 twos are 2. Again 2 time multiply sign will become. Now 2 ones are 2. Sorry, I write 3 dash 2. Now 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. Now 2 threes are 6 and 2 twos are 4. Now 3 times of multiply sign. 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9 and 3 twos are 6. Make a line and make again a line. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and 6 1 7 7 2 9. Sorry, I did not write number below number. Now it is number below number. 3 plus 2 5 3 8. Then 6 plus 2 8. Sorry, 8 is not here. I did not see this number. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. It's become 3. 3, 6, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 2 here and 1 here. 5, 9, 14. 4 here, 1 here becomes 7. Now, very, very, very important thing there is. Now, count it. How many in right sign hand? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, it is our answer. And I am writing in above thing. That's why you can see easily. 9, 3, and 2. This is our answer. Okay? No subscribe, no like, only share.